My Truck is Stuck by Kevin Lewis and Daniel Kirk. Dump truck coming down the road. Dump truck hauling a great big load. Round and round, the wheels they roll. Round and round. Into a hole. Rotten luck can't go. My truck is stuck. Gears grind, the engine roars, but the truck won't go, not 1 inch more. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a car full of travelers traveling far. Rotten luck can't go. My truck is stuck. Tug and tow, 2 engines roar, but the truck won't go, not 1 inch more. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a van, driven by a moving man. Rotten luck can't go. My truck is stuck. Drag and draw, tug and tow. 3 engines roar, but the truck won't go. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a Jeep. Up a hillside very steep. Rotten luck can't go. My truck is stuck. Heft and haul, tug and tow. 4 engines roar. The truck still won't go. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a bus full of youngsters. What a fuss! Rotten luck can't go. My truck is stuck. Lug and lurch, tug and tow. 5 engines roar. The truck won't go. tow truck with a mechanic. Mr. Mechanic, I'm sure you know how to make my stuck truck go. Sure, to move it on its way, just hook it up and then you'll say, what luck! My truck's not stuck. Vroom, vroom. Now car and van and jeep and bus all move on without a fuss. And the dump truck rolls on down the road on its way to deliver a great big load. See you soon!